red team. Mark the location.
Team deathmatch. Target's in sight. Lost the lead. It's too close. Fight harder. Lost the lead. Tied for the lead. We lost the lead.
Point for the red team. Mark the location.
Team deathmatch. Target's in sight. Lost the lead.
And it does give you a lot of options. But for
Killing
me, since
spree
I'm
for
more
the
simple,
blue
I don't really
team.
need to use all those options. I would prefer using the Pixel UI. So from my experience, if you love using your phone a lot and you want to have all your options, you want to be really specific with how to use your phone, then One UI from Samsung is one of the best.
Play, it works really well. You game really smoothly, everything's fine, and you can also swivel and continue gaming that way. But that at least gives you multiple options in terms of doing some will get compressed. Your games can still run there, but it's not gonna look or feel good. Now, when it comes to using both display for gaming and your secondary display doing something else, so usually I flip it around so it looks like on the smaller display. I can have my Instagram, I can have email, I can have YouTube while I'm watching, say, like Daniel's video, and also gaming at the same time. Now, gaming temperatures, while gaming, I've got about 99 degrees in terms of temperatures. Games at the same time, temperatures ran up higher to about 102 degrees. Now, when in terms of PUBG, I didn't play at Ultra because Ultra was not available. I did play at Smooth at the highest settings available, which you can see on screen. Same thing also with Call of Duty Mobile, again, which is expected with a 765 processor, 765 only activated